is about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. You know what? This title of this video is to say goodbye to coupons, but say hello to cashback. Yes. Say it again, free merchandise lady. Say goodbye, coupons. Hello, cashback. Yes. Free merchandise lady. Remember, my channel is about you making money, saving money, and getting things for free. Lady. Coming up, I tell you. Now, the free merchandise lady gonna tell you. Look, I don't know if everybody remember, but I remember those days when you sitting around or get your newspaper on Wednesday and Sunday and clipping out those coupons and getting those rebates and then mailing them off and all that. You don't have to do that stuff now. Guess what? Everything is digital now, which is a good thing because you have to worry about stamps, expiration dates, and all that kind of thing. Look how they got it now. It's almost like it's pretty much instant. I love it. But guess what? What I love most of all is just saving. I love the savings. Well, some of us, it took a minute for the technology, but guess what? The savings is there, and especially now, because you can't even help to spend over $100 at the grocery store. I try not to. Say, free merchandise lady, don't spend over 100. Don't spend. Oh, no, I did over 100. Don't matter what store I go into. Grocery store, don't matter which one. It's like it's going to be over 100. And that's some basic stuff on my list. Free merchandise lady, I know you say, how you going to help me? Well, I got a great site called Abada where you get cash back. Well, I get cash back. And guess what? I want you to get that cash back. Because guess what? A little bit of savings go a long way. It adds up. I would treat it about like a piggy bank for a grocery store. So I'm going to tell you some of the things that I get on Abada, like Ocean Spray cranberry juice. They got a cash back on it. They got cash back on Raisin Bran. They got cash back on Oscar Mayer Deli. This is what they got now, but it changes all the time. These are some of the things why you need to get. I know some of these things gotta be on your list. Simply Orange. It's just some of the things I want to name. You could get cash back on. And let's go. Kellogg's cornflakes, Tide, the pods. I mean, the list go on and on. But look at, I've been out for a while, and now since the inflation is through the roof, everybody, I know when I go to the grocery store, everybody had that funny look like, oh my God, I know I'm going to spend too much because I can't help it because the prices are out of control. But free merchandise, ladies, here to help. Abada, get cash back. You never know. Sometimes certain things they have 100% cash back, but it adds up. And then you can spend that extra money however you like. Look, fight that inflation the best way you can. Abada, sign up. It's a great app. Not just that they have on groceries, online, in-store items that you buy. Check it out. You won't regret it. Like I said, some of your favorite stores. We know Target, Walmart. We know Kroger. Just name a few. We know a lot of people shop at those stores. Check it out. Abada. The link is below. Get started. Get that cash back. Because free merchandise lady say, free merchandise lady. about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Check out also my other YouTube channels so I can bring you more. Thumbs up, free merchandise later.